All right, we're in the same spot. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually start setting up the softwares. So what you're gonna wanna do is you gotta make sure you have your broker number right here. Then you're gonna go into your VPS, your virtual private server. So when you click on that, they have a video that goes over it here. I'm gonna make this video. It's gonna be a lot easier, I believe, and then we'll go from there. So right here is your login for your VPS. So what you're gonna need to do is actually copy this. So you're gonna put in your password for HLX, your normal password. I think I typed that wrong. So you type in your normal password, and then it's gonna give you this password. So we'll go ahead and copy that and then click OK. Now we can access our VPS. So when we access our VPS, I've realized if you have a Mac, it likes to do a pop-up blocker. So if you just click on this, it'll actually open it up in another tab and you'll be good to go. On my Windows computer, I don't run into that issue. But if you can't get in, it's because of a pop-up. So whatever you got to do to get through the pop-up blocker, then that's what you need to do. But again, I only really see it on my Mac personally. So once you're here, you're going to click on the screen, just anywhere on the screen. And basically this computer that we're looking at now is asleep. So up here at the right, you're going to see send Control Alt Delete. Click on that. That's how you enter that computer. Up here, we're going to paste. So we're going to click on this and we're going to paste the password that we just copied from here. So the password right here, we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it up here. Don't push enter, but it makes it where you can, copy it in easier. 5xe star in E. It makes it where you can, copy it easier to actually log into your VPS. You only have to do this one time, the first time. After that, you'll be able to log in right away. It's gonna run these scripts on your inside your VPS. And basically what that's doing is it's updating your softwares. Me personally, I like to just click on update again once everything turns on. So this is what it should look like once you're actually inside of your VPS. So your VPS is really just another computer hosted on a server. And the reason we run everything on a VPS is so if your internet goes out, your power goes out, the software that's running on your account is hosted on this server that isn't going to go out. Like I said, me personally, I just like to double click this HLX updater, let it run through the script again where I know that I clicked on it. And then we go ahead and log into our MT4. So we're going to go here to MT4. Pretty easy process. Always easier with a video though. What you're going to need now is you're going to need your broker number. So if you didn't write it down earlier, what you're going to do again is come up here. It's going to be this number. If you didn't change your password before, over here, change password. You're going to want to do that so you can get into your thing. But if you've already done this from the last video, then you don't have to worry about that. But you're going to want to change your password if you haven't already. You're going to go into your VPS. Now, if you're using the broker link from the post up here, it's going to be LQD. So you're going to type in LQD1 and scan. When you scan, it's going to pop up all the brokers, right? So what you're going to do is if you're on a demo account, which is what we're setting up right now, you're going to do LQD1 demo. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Click next. And then you're going to log into an existing trading account because we've already set up our trading account. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. This is my broker number. So again, this is this number right here. So we're going to copy this in. 1123 147117. And then I'm going to enter the password that I changed so I can remember my password. And then I'm going to click finish. Once you click finish, it'll log you into your account. You'll see things start happening. Next thing you're going to want to do is actually close all of these. Let me get this out of the way. We're going to close all the charts. Just click the X across the board. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to right click and then click on show all. So that's going to show all of the pairs. Not that you need to know that, but that's what you're doing. And then you're just going to click on the top one and drag it over. So once you do that, now we're inside the software. We're logged into, or we're inside the MetaTrader 4 platform. We're logged into our broker account. And if you look, I'll pull this down so you guys can see. If I click on trade down here, you'll see that $5,000 balance is right there. And that's what we, decided to start this account with. So the next thing you're going to do is actually come down here to Alpha. Personally, this is the software that I run, Alpha 2.5. So Alpha GI 25 is what it reads. And you're going to drop it right in here. The next thing, you're going to click on common, allow live trading. You want to make sure that this, and this are all clicked. So everything except this disable alerts. For inputs, what I personally run is 0.01 per $1,000. So if you have, so for me, I have $5,000 in the account. I'm going to run it with 0.05. Trading style, the safer trading style is a super sniper. I'm not going to go into the settings. HLX actually has that in the back office if you guys want to learn the settings. But this is how I run it right here. So I do 0.01 per $1,000, and then I click on super sniper, and then I'll click OK. And you'll actually see that the market it's going to actually start running on my account. So it pulls it up. The next thing that I do is I'm going to actually take this next pair down here, click and drag, drop it in. You want to drop it into the gray area, drop it right here. And then I'm going to run GR. So Alpha GR, I'm going to click drag, do the same thing, drop it. You're going to click on all three of these again. And then this said, all of these settings for me, I personally leave them the same. Click OK. You'll see that Alpha GR is going to come up just like the 2.5 did. Up here, so if you look at my mouse, up here, these four boxes, if you click on that, it'll make them go together. And the last thing that you need to do is up here where it says auto trading, you're going to click on auto trading and tell it to start trading. And you can see my account just got into a couple of trades all on its own. So that's pretty much all that you need to do, from opening up your broker account to getting into your VPS to setting up your software. If you have any questions, obviously drop it in the chat. We made this chat 4 questions, and then I look forward to helping you guys and working with you guys and having a good time. Let's get this money, dog. But appreciate you guys.